tinutulugan namin is isang historical landmark.
Kids, this is our free home for tonight.
Sa pagpatuloy na ating Day 4 episodes after magmala roller coaster ride at pamangha sa kagandahan ng Cordillera Mountains at Ilocos Sur, finally.
Come to Tagudin, Ilocos Sur. So,
I believe that I can finally touch sun.
after the mountains, let's go to the beach.
This is my classroom. Da, 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 da. Yay!
3:11, we survived the mountains. Good job, bata.
Take the next left.
So,
onto
welcome
MacArthur
to-
Highway, Manila North Road.
Ito na. Ito yun, papuntang Vegan. This one is to Taon yun. First
Continue
stop.
on MacArthur Highway for 1.5
Merong gasolina,
kilometers.
72, mahal pa. Meron pa tayo. Oh, wow, ang galing. Sulit na sulit si Espresso. Nakiyat ang Highest Highway, bumaba. 4 lang ang natanggal na bars from Nueva Vizcaya. Naikot na natin. Kaya, the best na sasakyan talaga for road trip is Espresso! Before din kayo umakyat dun, talaga magpagas kayo. Before naman umakyat dun sa taas, may gasoline station, may Shell. First stop namin dito, 4 minutes away, is the Lighthouse. Tagudin! Ay, Tagudin? Ilocos Sur pa to.
Ganda yun, diretso eh. Kuya, dito ba yung lighthouse? Boss? Lighthouse? Sige po.
Diretso lang.
Hapa.
Thank you po. It's 2 minutes away to the lighthouse. Parola. It's an old lighthouse, this one. Okay, Farola Plaza.
The lighthouse.
Oh,
Wait.
Is it the lighthouse?
No, the lighthouse helped the ships.
Yes.
I can't believe it. I can finally touch sun. The first time to touch sun.
After the mountains, let's go to the beach. Woohoo! Pwede naman tayo dito na muna. Gusto mo dito na? Welcome to Tagudin, Ilocos Sur. So first stop is the lighthouse. Ito yung Tagudin. Para pwede ito yung mag-camp dito eh. Ano? The lighthouse! Yay! The lighthouse yun lang yun. So dito na kami mag-stay. Overnight, pahinga muna kami. So plano namin dito na lang kami matulog sa may lighthouse. Hanap na lang tayo ng pang laundry shop kasi ilang araw na kami. Marami na kaming mga kailangan labahan. Para bukas na umaga, daanan na lang natin yon before tayo mag-ikot ng La Union. Ilang oras lang pala ba?
2 hours na, pero hindi na po aabot ngayon hanggang 6 po.
I'm crying. Tomorrow they're out.
Close.
Goes out. Let's go to the beach now. Kids, this is our free home for tonight. So me and Tatay is going to swim and then swim in the beach, and then Nana is going to stay here and clean. And then after cleaning that, we're going to swim as family. Bye kids, see you in the beach.
Bye.
So you're in a hurry? Well, you better calm down. We're all friends around you, just join the fun. 'Cause if you're in a hurry, you're missing the point. Should enjoy the fruits of life instead of chasing coins.
The branch and the roots of the pine tree is a gift. It's a gift from Mom Lanita of Maliko. Go. Tay, be careful because the dirt will go to your eyes maybe.
So, nandito kami sa free campsite dito sa Tagudin, Ilocos Sur. Ito ay hindi ko siya advertise, basta nandito siya sa Coast Guard area na beach. So nagtanong lang kami kay kuya kung pwede kami mag-camp. So sabi niya pwede daw and libre. Ngayon lang kami makapag bonfire. And sa dati nag-bonfire, nakaluto rin ako ng kanin. Ayusin ko lang itong mga gamit sa sasakyan. O yan, galing. Ang gulo-gulo ng bundo namin. So si Kaling aming videographer. So let's enjoy our stay tonight. Tapos naligo kami dun sa poso ng Coast Guard. Diba? Libre lang. Yan kuyang ami. Yan, magkano yan?
200 daw. Nakukuha lang to.
Wow, fresh isda. Wait lang. Tutuunan natin yun ngayon. Wait lang ha, kuya. Ay, salamat. Makaisda na kami ngayon. Ang sarap ng ulam natin. Bonfire pa tayo with a pine tree. That is really good after sa aming experience dun sa Mountain Province. Kasi nakakatakot pag naulan pala siya.
Tay, what's the sakit? The sakit when you're doing like that.
It's night in the city. On my
This
way
is the
back.
moon. Smell it, oh.
Humming on my
scent.
favorite ditty. Swinging like Natalie.
Para siyang bango ng
Flower.
But then out of the blue,
Put it inside your
who
nose.
strolls down the boulevard? But your place is closer than mine. Why don't we go there and have some more wine? 'Cause life is
si tatay nag-transfer na siya ng ulam para sa aming fast and lunch for tomorrow and rice. Wala nang setup. Kailangan nang kumain na agad. Pagod na. So ginagawa namin, una, ihaw muna. Tapos after ng ihaw, yun ang bonfire. So ngayon nagbo-bonfire tayo gamit ang kahoy na pine. Ang bango. Ang bango niya para kang nasa Cordillera. Ang tigas ng kahoy. Si Kali tulog na. Pagod na rin pala.
Kids, I don't say good night because I'm really tired. I don't eat.
Yeah.
Now I'm making Tatay coffee. Yeah. Kids.
Black rice, hot choco, ihaw na isda. Yun lang yung Coast Guard. Hindi mo siya talaga campsite pero nakatulog lang kami dito. Kasi gusto na talaga ni Kari kagabi mag-swimming sa dagat. Kaya ano sasabi mo dito tayo?
Tahimik.
Kahit public beach no? Feel at home lang kami dito.
Kanya-kanya.
Kanya-kanya. Parang ano, mabait lang yung mga locals dito sa dagat na to. Sa Barangay Farola.
Ang ganda rito kasi nagpapatrol yung mga polis.
Dito, parang kahapon pa kami pagdating namin, may nagpapatrol na pulis, merong BFP, merong MDRR, MC, basta ang dami. Dito sila nag-morning, ngayon 8 o'clock may dumating na naman, tong 5 o'clock kahapon nandito na naman sila. Pinipicturean nila yung dagat. Yun sila ngayon na may mga pulis dyan. Tapos, nasa survey sila. Tapos, kanina umaga nag-coastal clean up ang mga coast guard, no?
We already eat and then we're washing the dishes already.
Hello. Dito kami nakikihugas sa coast guard. CR, nag-toothbrush na kami dito. Hugas ng mukha. Ito yung coast guard. Doon na kami nag-park. Ito yung mga police. Ang lighthouse, nandun lang. Katabi lang. Si tatay nag-unpitch na siya ng tent para ready na siya sa next destination.
I just discovered this tree. I just see a tree with thorns in the branch, not thorns in the trunk. But this tree have thorns in the what is this tree? Auntie Celine, can you help me name this tree?
Solar. Tini! Mukhang bahay lang kami, no? Ang natulugan namin is isang historical landmark. Kasi dito dumaan ang mga three nuns na nag-start ng Catholic school sa Philippines.
Kids, this is where the dance. This is located in Barangay Farola, Tagodin, Ilocos. I'll show you the lighthouse. Go! If you want to go boating, there you can. This is why this is the safest beach, because there's a police. I'm a very lucky girl. This is my classroom today, the Tagolin Lighthouse. Story started when a group of missionary nuns from Belgium landed on the shore of Barangay San Roque by boat. The group is headed by Sister Marie Mester, and they set foot on this beach on June 21, 1910. As a symbol of their landing in the Philippines, they built this lighthouse. The lighthouse is now called Tagodin Lighthouse, built in 1904. At present, it is now 110 years old, standing tall and proud.
Ma'am, excuse me, functional po ba ito? Po, hindi na. Yes? Lagyan namin yung solar light para habang naglalakad, biyahe, ito-charge siya. Aming highest point na memory. So, 9:57. Let's go to Tagudin Municipal Hall. Bye-bye! Tagudin Lighthouse! Salamat po. Bye-bye!
Broken, our windows are open. Wanna feel the wind blow through my hair. Which way do I follow? What happens tomorrow? I turn to you and
Punta tayo doon. Ito yung papunta ng munisipyo.
In
Wow.
300 meters, turn left onto San Antolin.
Ang Tagudin is one of the historical places dito sa Pilipinas. Sa munisipyo nila, makikita din natin yung Sandayal. Makikita din natin yung first school dito sa Pilipinas. 115 years old na siya. Wow. Ito yung
The first Catholic school in the Philippines. We cannot tour inside, but at least we can see here.
So ito ay makikita lang sa Tagudin Municipal Hall. Ayun na yung Municipal Hall, oh. St. Church. 1918. Tayo dito sa church, first church dito na Catholic. Hanapin natin yung Sandayal. This is the church. One gypsy.
be on my own. Even in the darkest times, you give me hope. So I lean on you when I've lost my way. I keep holding on for a better day. I lean on you.
This is General Antonio Lina. This is the first sundial in the Philippines, built during the Spanish era. This is a device used to tell the time, depending where the sun casts shadow. Beside is the historical marker of the biggest base hospital during the World War II.
So yung ang base hospital at saka yung Sandayal, dito lang sa harap lang siya ng Tagudin Municipal Hall. Let's go! World War Monument. World War Monument. Ito yun. So, let's go! Ito yung Tagudin Municipal Hall. Nandito lahat si Juan Luna. Ito yung Jose Rizal. Ito yung Sandayal sa gilid. Yung base hospital, biggest hospitalization. Ito yung Tagudin, bayan ng Tagudin. Let's go kasi traffic, hindi pwede mag-park sa church. Last episode, galing tayo sa highest point, sa Tasang Pass, na malamig, naka-jacket tayo. Ngayon, nandito tayo sa plane. Ito mo ma-realize the importance ng puno. Kasi pag walang puno, sobrang init. Ang init talaga siya. So, yehey! tayo natulog sa kung saan nag-set foot ang tatlong nuns nag-form ng first Catholic school in the Philippines. Punintahan natin yung St. Augustine School, yun yung first Catholic school, at saka yung church. Ang saya. Ang dami nating history ngayon. History class of Cali today! Na nakita mo lang sa libro, nababasa mo lang sa libro, na memorize mo lang siya. But now, nakita mo Cali ng personal. Yay! At nakita ko rin ng personal. And also, Father, na-remind niya yung kanyang history class. Di ba tayo?
Plano lang talaga namin mag-courtesy visit sa Lighthouse, pero naging balik na sa ating history lesson. Thank you, Lord, for this opportunity. See you in the next episode as we discover the secrets of La Union. One road trip, one camping site, one mountain hike, and one province at a time. Thank you for watching.